Ooh, I look kind of crusty. Okay, what did I say? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my hood. I know my fish tank is really loud. I need to change the water. But anyways, today is my sister's birthday. Today's August 19th, and tomorrow will be my birthday. So we're gonna do birthday activities today, and I think tomorrow. So this is gonna be a vlog, okay? I got my nails done. Ooh. Okay, it's gonna be a vlog. I don't know if I'm gonna break it up or whatever, but we're gonna get some food. We're gonna get some piercings, hopefully today, but if not tomorrow, hopefully today. Yeah, I'm excited, but I'm gonna get ready. I have to take a shower, do something with my hair. I went to Ross and I bought some dresses. I guess I'll show you guys. These are the dresses I picked. It's really hard for me not to buy black dresses. Like, all my dresses are black, but I do have a white one here. So this is the one I'm gonna wear today, and then I have these, but I don't know which one I'm gonna wear for my birthday. Either this one or this one. I think I might do this one. I don't know, but I want to wear this in the daytime and this in the nighttime. I think that's good. But besides that, like I said, we're going to go get piercings. Hopefully we make it back in time to go to the shop and get them done. But piercings, we're going to the Cheesecake Factory. And I think that's it for today. And then tomorrow we're going to do some other stuff. Like I said, it's going to be a vlog. I don't know if I'm going to break it up or not. And also, I am off all this week, so I might just make it a whole long week birthday vlog with like multiple parts. Or I just might cut it all out and just show the piercing part. I don't know. But we're about to get ready. We're about to get ready. I'm gonna go in the shower and get in the shower before my sister gets home, because she's probably gonna take a shower and she takes forever. So I'll be back. Okay, so no piercers can do my piercing. I'm gonna keep looking. I'm about to call this place in like 15 minutes. They did my best friend's snake eyes, so hopefully they can do my scoop. If they can't do my scoop, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm looking for someone to do my tongue piercing. It's not that hard. Shit. But I know I'm gonna get pierced at least one time today. So whatever. What it do, baby? No, I'm just kidding. So it's her birthday today. Casija. Hello. It's her birthday. She's 18 today, you guys. And we're here with Kendall, who's driving. And we're gonna, oh, look at my snake, a snake. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go to some school to get Kendall's wallet, because she left it with her man being irresponsible. And then we're gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory. And it looked like, wow, that's not proper English. It looks like it's about to rain.
We got windshield wipers.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
You heard that? We got windshield wipers now. But yeah, I can't wait till I get to this place and eat that burger. I've been thinking about this burger for months. I've been craving this burger for months. I had the Beyond Meat burger. I don't know if I didn't cook it right. I don't know if I didn't put no seasoning on it. I don't know what I did. I can't remember. But
did it leave like a funny taste?
It was different. It wasn't as
It's not as good as the Impossible Burger.
Yeah. It wasn't popping like what I had in California, you guys. That burger was the best burger I've ever had in my life.
Vegan burger.
The best. The best vegan burger I have ever had in my life. And then, what was that place we went to when they had like the little grass for seats?
Grass for seats?
Yeah.
In California?
Yeah. You wanted to try it.
In Napa?
I don't know, San Francisco, whatever.
Grass receipts.
The grass for
the burgers?
Yeah, and I had like
forgot.
a chicken patty or something.
I forget what those burgers were, what that place was called, honestly.
It was bomb too, and they had like French fries with seaweed on it. It was popping. It was so good. But you know, there's none of that stuff here in Houston. Well, there probably is downtown, but I don't maneuver downtown. Last time I was downtown, my friend drove on the wrong side of the road and we almost died. But I can't wait till I get this bread. No, get this burger. It's gonna be great. And I want a good ass drink. I don't know what kind of drink I want, but I want a good ass drink.
Drinks today.
Good, cause I'm.
Yeah, I
I
something. I'll just order it for myself.
been wanting a drink, and I told my grandma, I was like, I'm rambling, but it's okay. I want a drink, like a slushy kind of thing, but with some alcohol in it.
Daiquiri.
I don't know, something
Basically a daiquiri.
like a daiquiri or a frozen margarita, or like I really want this margarita from my job because it's popping. They got the strawberry mango margarita. My skin looks good as fuck. Hello, how you doing? Look at my teeth. I look cute. Okay, anyways. And then have this blackberry pineapple margarita that looks bomb. But yeah, I guess I'll see you when we get to the Cheesecake Factory, okay? Because y'all don't want to see the rest of this. Hi! Kidda. Hello. Look, we've made it to the Cheesecake Factory. Boom, let's go. Oh, yep. Look how ghetto I am. You see these slides on my feet? And my feet is ashy. Alright, anyways. I'll tell y'all when we get some seats and stuff. I hope it's not cold. People are looking at me vlog. Got a blast. Alright. The Cheesecake Factory. And our place is so nice. Like, you see this? This is nice. And then look. We're in like a secluded area. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Look, boom. Cheesecake Factory. Oh, they said Skinnylicious. I know, that's what I am. Alright. I'll probably record again when we figure out what we're eating, like after we order and stuff, because I want to spend time with my sister, you dig? Okay. And then next, we will get piercing. What did you, baby? Okay. Okay, so we ate some spinach, queso, cheese, something. The spinach dip. We ate some spinach dip. Yeah, that.
The Americana? Oh, I'm just waiting on fries. It didn't take too long. Thank you.
Oh, that looks so good. You have to give me some.
Okay. It's a little hot.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah.
She's like, okay, got it. I'll be right back.
No, it's not, bitch. Okay, so our food just came. Don't touch it yet. I gotta get on video. Okay, so I got the Impossible Burger, you know, regular burger, and we're waiting on our fries to come. Keisha, what did you get?
I got the American cheeseburger.
Uh-huh.
Got like fries, crisp on it, American cheese,
Oh, yeah.
cheddar cheese,
Yeah.
all this good secret sauce stuff. I don't know what it is, but it looks good.
Okay, and what you get?
I got torches pasta.
Oh, yeah, you see that? Ooh, scrumptious. You don't put the sour cream on there. I want some without the sour cream. Alright, but yeah. Girl, I've been waiting for this burger for so long. I already explained to y'all, but I'm so ready right now. Right? Alright, I'm full.
My titties fall out.
I had to get a to-go box.
Where do you go from? Forever 21.
What else was there?
You like it?
After this, we're gonna go get piercings. That's all right. Okay. So y'all know it's our birthday and stuff, and they brought out this big ass piece of cheesecake. Look at that. That is huge. It looks delicious, but it's gonna have to wait for it tonight or tomorrow or something. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
I don't know. The ride home I might get hungry, you know? Thank you. Yeah. Oh, good. That is good. But yeah, we got the red velvet cheesecake. It looks delicious. And she came and she sang to us that she was like, attention, and I was like, hello? Everybody looked at us.